Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're all doing well. This is the close-up of the Heartfelt Creations Patchwork Daisy collection, and it's sort of a part 2 of their Patchwork Daisies from last month. And I know it's a little hard to think of at this time of the year, the pinks, the purples, the blues, but this is the time that you want to be putting away and choosing what you're going to work with over the winter, on your Christmas break, and for all of the spring birthdays and celebrations. These are perfect, beautiful colors. So they have the Patchwork Daisies again in a different configuration. I just love the ombre that you're going to see throughout, and it's filled with little flowers and all kinds of happy colors and situations, and these beautiful lacy borders. This is gorgeous. Look at this ombre, from the blue to the purple to the pink down to the green, with all the buttons and the daisies. And again, the last collection had all the buttons that you could make and the bigger daisies. So I don't have any projects made for you with this one. It's just so busy for choir directors right now that I haven't had time to make anything with this. I have been making things and putting up videos, but I'm trying to keep up. I love this little cluster right here. I just really love what they did with the colors and the combinations and how it pops. And the designs in the background are just beautiful. So here, a time to remember, celebrate, life is a story, happy birthday, and happy days. On the other side, this is reminiscent of some of the dies that you're going to see, as well as the special stamp collection that comes, or stamp set that comes with this, a background stamp. And more of your smaller cards that are perfect for your spring invitations. And as I said, you need to pop together a quick birthday card. You cut this out, you put it on that, you stick it on a card, and you put your sentiments inside, and off it goes in just moments. So this is a lovely purple with the little daisies at the points. A beautiful pattern. We're going to see that again in a moment. And just perfect for all different colors. Whatever color you've chosen to make your card, you're going to find tags to go with your presents with this, or your little special invites. A nice stripe that is a thicker with all the little tiny daisies, and then the buttons running up the side here. Very pretty. More tags, and of course, if you're doing a more colorful Christmas rather than traditional, you could make tags with these. If you couldn't wait to break into your daisies, go for it. Do it now. I personally think I'm going to be working on some things over the winter with these. And this is a cute pattern, the way that they did it with the hearts facing each other and the little star shape that formed in the middle. Beautiful layout page with these daisies running across. Put your sentiment down here, and then this lovely blue with that lovely lace or crisscross pattern. And on the other side, daisies, daisies, daisies. And of course, they're the Patchwork Daisies. So as you can see, there's detail within all of the petals. This is very lovely. It has that crisscross in the center, a very pretty purple, and these bright pops of these greens, and these daisies running all along the sides. And on this side, little buttons with flowers, lots of colors, great for backgrounds. If you're into limey yellow, greenish colors, you're going to be very satisfied with this pad because it presents things like this. And I'm thinking it's possible that that might be the same size as the die that does that set with the scroll and the flowers. A beautiful lime green with pretty patterns. I like that pattern. Here's some 6x6s and larger tags. So colorful and happy. A lovely purple. I love purple. I love pink. I love blue. Don't you have a hard time sometimes, especially if you're a crafter? Whatever you're working on is your favorite color until you're sick of it, and then you're on to the next color for a while. So 6x6s of the larger ones. A really beautiful aqua turquoise bluish green here, with again lovely detail in the patterns, and not monotone, not flat, different dimensions in the texture of the colors. And here's some more of the, that's so, what is it? That reminds me, it's reminding me of the dating game. I think I was having a 60s or 70s flashback when I was doing the Patchwork Daisies. This is very classy, isn't it? I love that. HuckleberryHerbs.com if you would like anything from Heartfelt. I also have Graphic 45 and my new items, some Tim Holtz, some Gina K, and Waffle Flower. I got those stamps that help you to swatch out things. Those are in the store too. Beautiful tags, and some of us purchased the dies that cut all these tickets and tags out, which is going to be great. A lovely violet. It's a very pretty in between pink and purple violet color with a lot of busyness and all that intricacy. Okay, so there are the papers, and boy, they're just gorgeous when you lie them next to each other, and those are the plain sides, right? So here is Patchwork Daisy stamp and die set. There's those swirls, and they have a right and a left. 2x5 by 3x5, 2.5 by 3x5 inches, just so you have some sort of understanding of the dimension. The Patchwork Daisy border cuts out the leaves on both sides, gives you a curved border, and then you have these to adorn your cards with. These are the last minute details that when you put a nice big flower in the center and you have these vines running all throughout, and of course that would be terrible to fussy cut. So there's our Patchwork Daisy border die. I love this background. Isn't that cool? So it's stitched, it's diagonal, and I can see myself having a lot of fun on vellum paper with white stitching, or on the distressed oxides with black ink across the top of your different colors, and then an eyelet border basics. Somebody recently asked me to do some tutorials on how to use some of these. I'm trying to squeeze those into all the other things that I'm doing. Oh my goodness, so much to do, and it's going on to Thanksgiving. So yes, it's very springy, pops of colors of pinks and purples and blues and greens, but I know I'm going to want to look at these come the doldrums of January, right? Okay, so I hope you're all doing well. Don't forget to subscribe if you like to see these every month. Give me a thumbs up. That helps me to do better on YouTube. And HuckleberryHerbs.com. Pop over and visit my store. And till next time, take care, everybody. This is Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. God bless.